Here we go everyone, room 101 at the Servigroup Rialto Hotel in Benidorm, conveniently placed right outside the lifts. I think room 1 on each floor seems bigger than the other rooms, so these must be the family rooms, because we're a family of 3. Right, so you walk in, circuit board there, circuit breakers, thing here that you've got to stick your card in, so don't forget your card, that your gift card from the shop, light switch with the down light. You just bring one of them and leave it there. So you walk in, nicely tiled floor, all the way through. To your left, toilet, bathroom, ceiling light, sink with a marble countertop, massive mirror, toilet with a wonky toilet seat, again, tile floor, shower, one like a reinforced shower and like a shower head, some soap, shower tray, bath mat, handle. Behind the shower you've got a bidet, ball wash, and a towel holder for you to clean towels. The only downside about this shower is the floods. Could do with being on a bit of a slant to make the water go towards the drain. Yeah, that's the word I was looking for. Is your aircon controls. So you've got on, off. Don't know what these ones are for. Summer, fan, winter maybe, I don't know. Looks like a flower, not a snowflake. And then 1, 2 and 3. We normally stick it on 2 overnight because it's loud. Little map of floor 1. Like I say, we're 101 here. So then as you come past the toilet, full length mirror, nearly full length, oh yeah, nearly full length mirror, always the mirror there. A little case holder, not big enough for the case. Some coats on hooks. There's your aircon vent up there. And then like I say, we're a family of 3. So they'll give us 3 single beds. 1, 2, 3. We have a radiator in case it gets cold. There's a plug and a light switch above these 2 beds. A little cabinet with a phone, 2 drawers, a wardrobe, some overhead storage up there, storage and hangers here. Never even looked at this, to be honest. Some spare bedding as well, didn't even know that was there. Pillow, blankets, more drawers. Third bed. This one doesn't look like a scarf plug. Telly. Hasn't been on, so I don't know if there's any English channels. Safe. We haven't used it, but I think it's free. Oh, it's open anyway. Decent size safe. It's got some instructions on how to use it in English. Some more drawers. A small fridge. And I say a small fridge because it's not very deep. For the size of that unit, that could be a lot deeper. a desk with a chair. And a stool. And then we've got sliding doors. Put the handle up and down. And then balcony. Balcony, 3 chairs, because there's 3 of us. A little maiden. And there's the pool. I won't zoom in on the pool, well there's so much, well there's so many people outside sunbathing. So, all I can say, if it wasn't for that tree there, we'd have a sea view. Thanks for watching. Oh, some art on the walls as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.